This is Engineering Marvels. In the late 1970s, New York's Love Canal gained national notoriety. The site was a sealed-off industrial waste dump on which a school and subdivision were built. Several residents would become ill after waste from the dump seeped into their yards and basements. In the case of Love Canal, new construction had broken down the old landfill barriers and allowed toxins to reach ground level. More typically, chemicals in degraded landfill wastes absorb moisture from snow and rainfall to form a waste-derived liquid known as leachate. If leachate is impounded in the landfill, it will leak into surrounding soils to contaminate groundwater supplies. In the 1980s, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency created new standards to contain hazardous wastes in landfills specified within a congressional act. This act required all landfills constructed after 1984 to include a double liner system consisting of a geomembrane, that's a synthetic liner with low permeability, and a compacted clay liner. The double liner system minimizes the movement of leachates into soil and groundwater below the landfill. The liners are also designed to have a leachate collection system to remove accumulated leachates from the landfill for treatment and disposal. When a landfill reaches its full capacity, it's capped by layers of geomembrane, compacted clay, and topsoil for vegetative growth. Waste degradation within the closed landfill tends to produce methane gas, which is piped to the surface for collection or is flared on site. The removal of leachate is continued for more than 30 years after the landfill has been closed. A leak response action plan is generally in place throughout the 30-year period to ensure that any leachate problem will be resolved before pollution of groundwater or surface water occurs. As our population continues to grow and our communities expand, it's difficult to predict what crisis will next make national headlines. However, improved understanding of natural resources and new technologies makes us all a little safer. Engineering Marvels is a joint production of the Frank H. Dotter White College of Engineering at Texas A&M University, Kingsville, and South Texas Public Radio. Past episodes are available online at tamuk.edu/engineering. I'm Jason Martin.